Assalamualaikum. So this is the wudu area with two small windows, of course, for exhaust. And this is our wudu and comfort rooms. So here, by the way, this is the vent from the main line. Yeah, we will have extended PVC pipe number 2. So this is look, we will have just a skim coat here and all the way the connection, and that's it. Gonna have a seamless wool. Yeah, this is the window facing to the west side for the bedroom 1. This is the door, and this is the window for bedroom 2. The ladies cleaning. This is yeah, this is the other side. So on this part, I haven't had hard deflex. Anyway, this window can be closed, the small window. Okay. And inside, once we finish the internal hard deflex, of course, because this is a wudu here and comfort room, so we need to have a double wall hard deflex in this side, and also here hard deflex here. So inside we can stick as is, or we will depend on the budget. Yeah, so I will not remove this door here because we have a lot of space from this is the fridge, and we have here the L-shape sinky. One sink here and another one here, so no need to tear this down. Mobile it, no need. By the way, this is our 4 inches. Yeah, or 4 inches. I had the source from this strainer here. I had a source from the other town. Alhamdulillah. So this is 4 inches as requested by brother Samsudin. Alhamdulillah.